Hello everyone. Welcome back my YouTube channel Art Presets. In this video, I will show you how to edit HD filter using Lightroom mobile. Here are example photos before and after using this filter. These presets can be downloaded via the link in the description below. But DNG file is protected by a password. The password will appear in the upper right corner as a card I button. Watch this tutorial in your YouTube app to get the password. Let's get started. Click on Light. Contrast -69. Shadows 39. Whites -38. Then click on Curve and follow me carefully. Okay, done. Then click on Color. Temperature 20. Tint -4. Vibrance 62. Saturation 18. Then click on Mix and follow me carefully. Orange. U-75. Saturation 42. Luminance 42. Yellow. U-77. Saturation -33. Luminance 14. Green. U-65. Saturation -53. Aqua. U-10. Saturation -55. Blue. U-20. Saturation -59. Okay, done. Then click on Grading and follow me carefully. Shadows. U-171. Saturation 38. Blending 100. Balance 100. Highlights 𝘄𝘆𝘀𝗍𝗏. Saturation 23. OK, done. Then click on Effects. Clarity -18. Dehaze 13. Then click on Detail. 𝗬𝗵𝗿𝗀𝗀. Color Noise Reduction 25. Our photo editing has finally been completed in Lightroom Mobile. I hope you liked this video. Please share my video with your friends and family and click the like button. Subscribe to my YouTube channel 𝗏𝗵𝗿𝗀. Also click on the bell icon so you don't miss any of our new videos update.